Hold me close and hold me fast. The magic spell you cast. This is love beyond rouge. When you kiss me, heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see love beyond rouge.
So how's it, people? Did you like the visual treat about the delicious spreads? I just tried it over and I thought, why not to, give it a review, because it's been actually a very good experience of trying the delicious spread. So today I'm gonna review the delicious shawarma chicken spread, and let's see how it goes. So for buying the product, you need to log in the app, that's Ferlicious, and there in the app itself you'll get various there are various options which they'll be offering. Like you'll have for muttons, the ready to cooks, the prawns, the combos, and the spreads. So you need to log into this spreads column, and there they are offering a variety of spreads, like the first one, which is the chunky herby tomato chicken. Then they have their chunky honey mustard chicken. Along with this, they have their chunky butter garlic prawn. And then you have the chunky sriracha prawn. And now these spreads, they come either in these packs or even in these single serves, so that you can always try it over, and if you like the taste, you can always offer the bigger ones. And that's it. Then they have the chunky butter chicken and the chunky shawarma chicken, then along with the chunky continental chicken, and again the single serves of these packs. Now they serve it in these combo packs as well. Okay, so the net worth of one pack would be, say, 200 grams. So you get packs of 200 and 200, that's 400 grams each in these packs. And the combos are like of the same varieties, like the continental chicken along with the continental chicken, not like that one continental and another with the shawarma. So for that you gotta order it separate. Now see, all these single serves are also there. So I got to try the chunky shawarma chicken pack along with the continental chicken pack, and so the taste was actually very yummy. So you get this in this pack, which is a 200 grams bottle, and as they claim that it's protein rich, plus there's no artificial preservatives in this. It's freshly cooked and it's authentic, and you get a smoky taste to this. Okay, the product is best to be used within a month. That's the validity is for, say, 30 days. The net worth of this product is 200 grams. So you get it in this pack. It's a sealed pack. You got to break open the seal to use the product. Okay, and as you see that so the MRP of this 200 gram pack is 199 rupees. The manufacturing would, like for this product, it was the 6th of February, and it has to be used before 7th of March. So just 1 month validity is there. Now this basically is authentic smoky taste of shawarma meat, which is roasted, and it's a very good ready to eat option, which is available, which is very much flavorful. It has a creamy base, which would include all the crushed, your black peppers, chicken, garlic, and you can feel those, chunky chicken pieces in every bite which you take. It's an absolute delight for all the chicken lovers. And so basically it has the zero trans fat, and it's completely preservative free. So Licious is in the market since 2015, and the spreads or even the go-to meats which they serve, they're absolute try. So once you order online through their app, they have the delivery within, say, 90 minutes, and you can always within say 90 minutes of you ordering the product, and it's a good try. You can either apply it over your breads or your tortilla wraps, anything, whichever ways you find it more, tasteful. And so with the taste wise, I said yes, you can feel that smoky chicken flavor in all the bites which you take. And it's actually a very, very yummy-licious spread which is available in the market. So it's a must try. Just give it a try and let me know how you felt about it. And, do leave your comments in the below section and let me know how it went for you.